Previously on Hunting with Tripler.
End of August.
Cool. Actually, that one's in pretty decent condition. Or in pristine condition. Minimal wear and tear.
I think it was $114, $115, somewhere right in there.
What is happening, folks, and welcome to Hunting with Tripler. I got this sweet Wrangler shirt on because I found it at a garage sale, and I got a whole bunch of other sweet stuff too. Better check it out.
I collect so many things. Would you like to share this journey with me? I will show you the prizes I got today. So come along with me, come on and join the chase. Yeah!
I will drop the accent. That was weird. What's not weird is how awesome the garage sales on Friday have been consistently for me. They don't happen very often, but when they do, I have been scoring. No exception in this episode. Behind me, sweet Ninja Turtle action. Compliments of my daughter, who laid all of these out. She is a star of this channel. Sweet Sierra, who is funny and smarter than I am already. Now folks, in today's episode, we also went to a thrift store, and that thrift store pickup was kind of mind-blowing just because someone had donated about 5 or 6 boxes of media. I had just spent about an hour going through cherry-picking my favorite stuff. Let's get into this episode because it's a whole episode of awesome finds. And this sweet Wrangler shirt. I'm never taking it off. Ever again.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, my name's Nick. Yeah, man, that'd be awesome if you. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, don't those sell pretty well?
Pull back for 60.
Yeah. There's a Death of Superman in there too. First issue.
Okay.
It was never really read more than one time.
All right. So, what are you trying to get for the Spice Girls stuff?
15 for the bigger ones each.
Come on, dude. 15 bucks a piece. No.
And these ones are $8 each. And they're all complete.
Next. How much is your ultimate escape room?
Oh, I think it's $5.
Oh, is it marked on there? Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna make a little stack here. Yeah.
Yeah, those boxes are. I don't have them.
Next. $5. All right. All right. So I picked this up, which is basically free. Can you guys guess what I'm gonna do with this thing? Oh my God, how excited I am.
All right, we're gonna get a closer look at this coat here, this trench coat, because I know nothing about it. I'm just hoping someone can tell me a little bit about it. Now, it's got an unusual smell to it, and I'm not sure if that's on purpose. The brand is the Australian Outback Collection. It's got some pretty cool graphic on the inside, the original Australian drover coat. If I could explain to you the smell, it has a bit of a musty smell, but it's almost like there's this thick lacquer that's on it. Now, I did read the tag: hand wash or hose off any surface dirt with cold or warm water only. Do not leave soaking. Hang to dry in cool, ventilated area. Do not iron, do not dry clean, do not use detergent, do not bleach. Right above that it says, important, this garment is made from oil-proofed fabric. Do not expose to flame or high temperature heat source. That's got me thinking there's something crazy going on with this jacket. Who wants it? Come on, somebody's gotta want this thing.
Is 5 for the set, okay?
Yeah, I think that seems fine. So, are we at
8, I think?
$8 for everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good deal. Yeah, that's totally fine. Thanks.
For the nicer pants, or is it,
All right. Can't complain.
There's stuff outside, stuff inside too.
Okay.
Up the rollerblades.
Yeah, those are look like they're brand new. I was gonna pick up one. Use them.
That's a nice stack of stuff. Those are all. Man, half of this, I don't even know what I'm doing. $27. I paid $27 for all this. Are you kidding me? What is up? We're listening to Master of Puppets on the way back to the warehouse. Oh yeah! And then here's the media lot that I had from the thrift store. I don't go into this thrift store ever anymore. But I saw NBA 07 with Kobe Bryant on the front. It is new sealed, but the corner there is creeping through. That's a bummer. I got Sonic 2. It is not complete. Tecmo Bowl, good game. It is complete. And then I got Mortal Kombat 3, not complete. This looked like it had some decent comps, so I did grab that. And then all of these DVDs. This sci-fi 100 movie pack, some horror, Columbo, new sealed, a WrestleMania. This was going for, I think, 12, 13 bucks. Looney Tunes Golden Collection. This was probably the best out of the lot. Let's see, Mystery Science Theater 3000. I got 1, 2, 3 of those. More horror, some obscure DVDs, some Sean Connery movies, just some random. And then if you find, by the way, if you get a lot of these, so everything that has the Jay and Silent Bob group, I don't know what they're called, but if you can get these and lot them together, you can get some really good money for those DVDs. So probably put lots of 5 or 6, like a Chasing Amy, Mallrats, Dogma. Dogma is a really good one to find. If you get those out there, lot them together, put them up there, Kevin Smith, you'll sell them on eBay. Not Quite Hollywood, new sealed, and Candyman.
All right, folks, and that was today's short and sweet little episode. So I'm catching up on my footage. Hopefully by the middle of September I'm totally caught up and I can be still putting out 2 videos a week, and they are on time and they aren't so late. And there's a lot of things I want to do with the channel, and I want to improve the content so that when you guys are watching it, you're learning something and you're enjoying yourself every time you stop by. The best find by far was probably the Canon AE1, but there were definitely some surprises in there, including this sweet shirt. I mean, I'm riding off into the sunset right after we get done with this little video. If you're watching the video, please consider becoming a subscriber. I would truly appreciate it, and hit that thumbs up, because somehow, somewhere in the universe, that thumbs up is saving someone's life. Thank you guys for stopping by again, and I will see you next time. Enjoy your Friday. Take care. Next time on
Scan it first.
Hunting with Triplets.
Nintendo cores. I'm not seeing a Super Nintendo. 10 bucks? Yeah. Okay. What do you think?